Hello traders, how are you? I hope you're all doing very well. Today we're here with a new video for the channel, this time with a binary options strategy for the OTC market using 1-minute Japanese candlesticks. Okay, what strategy are we going to use today? Today we're going to use a candlestick pattern, a reversal candlestick pattern. It's an extremely easy pattern to identify even in the OTC market, which is more volatile. You can spot it very easily. So what is this pattern? It's this pattern right here. Here we have it in a downward trend, okay? It starts from here. It would be a large candle, a small candle, and then another large candle. That's the pattern, okay? That's all there is to it. It's a large candle, a small candle, and another large candle. It's like a candle sandwich. So after we see this pattern, we would take a buy, okay? We would take a buy. That's the easiest way to trade it. But where do we take the buy? We don't take it on this candle or on this one. When we see the pattern, meaning we already have our 3 complete candles of the pattern, we need to let one more candle form and finish. Let this candle close, okay? This candle forms and closes. We would buy here, okay? Here we would go long on this candle right here, on this little candle that appears here. We don't have to touch this candle here. We just have to let it form and finish, okay? So you're probably wondering, okay, but what if this candle is green, or if it's red, or if it's a doji, or if it's a huge candle like this one? It doesn't matter. This candle here doesn't matter. It's simply a complement. We just have to let it form and finish. After that one, according to the pattern we buy here, because these candles were red, the pattern works in the opposite direction, okay? You can see red candles and then sell again. No, when the red candle pattern ends, you have to buy, you have to go long, okay? So let's look at it in a bullish context. Very well, here we have it very clearly. We have a large bullish candle, a small candle, and another large candle. We have the complete pattern, it ends here. This candle comes out here, which we don't have to do anything with. We just have to watch how it forms and ends, and then we sell here, okay? We would sell on this candle here. As you can see, we made a profit with a lot of volume. It was a very good win. It played out very cleanly. In this one here, it struggled a little more, but it still ended up green. It would have been a win as well. Okay, after explaining this pattern, let's look at the trades. Look, here it repeats again. We have a large candle, a small candle, and a large candle. This candle doesn't matter, it's just a complementary candle. You would sell here, okay? We would sell here. Trades should be taken for 1 minute, don't take them for longer periods. Generally in this candle here, which is the one where you'll win, the pattern ends. After that, it starts doing other things, so I recommend only taking them for 1 minute, okay? Finish and win within that same candle. Recommendations for this pattern. Don't use similar candles within the pattern. For example, these 2 candles are very similar. Even though this one here is bigger than this one, they still have a very similar size. Or even these ones. Let's say you see the pattern here and you say, okay, this one is big, this one is small, and this one is a bit bigger, but you can see that this one and this one are almost the same. So you shouldn't take any trades there. Look, here we also have big, small, big again, but this one here looks a lot like this one. The size is quite similar. So when you see a pattern, try to make sure that the candle is different from the small one. Look, for example, here, this candle is huge. This candle is very small compared to this one, and it's very small compared to this one, okay? This candle is very big. This candle is very big compared to the one in the middle. So that's what we need to look for. And that's it. Now let's look at the trades. Sorry for that little preamble. Alright, traders, we have the first trade. We entered a buy here. Why did we enter a buy? As you can see, this previous big green candle is simply the complement candle, so it doesn't serve any purpose, it's just there. And before that, we have our sandwich pattern. We have a big red candle, a small red candle, and then again another big one, another big red candle. So we wait for the complement candle to finish, and then we enter a buy, okay? Here as well, we have our pattern of big candle, small candle, then another big green candle followed by the red candle that acts as a complement, which is useless to us, and we would buy. Sorry, we would sell. I made a mistake. Basically, we would sell there because we have to go against, this pattern is always against the trend. So that's it, we have it there. And that's a second winning trade as well. Let's go with the third one. Our complement candle has finished and we enter with a buy. Okay, we have a big red candle, a small red candle, and then another big red candle. Then comes the complement candle and we would be entering a buy. I hope you're enjoying the video. I want you to tell me in the comments how many trades you were able to make, how easy it was for you. This time I found it a little more complicated to look for trades than with the previous strategy, because this is a pattern that's a bit more precise to spot, let's say. I hope you've understood the strategy. If you have absolutely any questions at all about how it works, or possibly you missed some important detail, please don't hesitate to just write in the comments. We're here to help. I reply within 24 hours and I can explain any detail or clear up any doubts you have about the strategy. So I have nothing more to say. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.